Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's lesson was requested by one of my students, Tet Win. Thank you for always watching. And we're going to be discussing the differences between in case of, and if. Okay, because I know those are very confusing for a lot of students. So we're going to go over those. Before we get into today's lesson, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. And if you would like, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok, all of those things. You can turn on notifications and you can know when I go live. Oh, looks like Tedwin is also in the chat. Hello, we are doing your requested lesson. Very nice. Okay, if you have lesson suggestions, I will try to get to them as soon as I can, as soon as possible. I don't know when I can get to all of them or if I can get to all of them, but I'll do my best. Yes, today's lesson is a little bit early because I have kind of a hectic schedule today. So we're doing it a little bit early. Thank you for joining me. Okay, let's get into today's lesson. Ta-da! All right, we have in case of, and if. Okay, so we're going to look at the differences. Hello, Brenda. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Hello from Peru. Hello from Pakistan. Yes, I'm very early today, earlier than usual. Okay, so we have in case of versus if. In case of, if. All right, so we're going to look at in case first. Okay, so in case, what does it mean? So we use in case to talk about things we should do to be prepared for a possible future situation. Okay, so we don't know if something is going to happen or not, but we're going to prepare because there is a possibility that it will happen. Oh, hello from Korea and Romania. Ohayou gozaimasu, Raju. Hello from Sudan. Okay, so if you're just joining us, we just started, that's okay. We use in case to talk about possible future situations and what we're going to do to prepare, okay? So let's look at the examples so you can kind of get a sense of how to use them. Bring a coat in case it gets cold. Okay, there is a possibility that it might get cold. So bring a coat. Okay, there is a possibility that it might get cold. So bring a coat. The next one, we should eat now in case there isn't any food at the party. Okay, there is a possibility that there won't be any food. So we should eat now. Okay, so it might get cold later. I don't know if it's going to be cold, but it might. There is a possibility. So to prepare for that future possible situation, I'm going to bring a coat. So in case it gets cold, I'll bring a coat. In case there isn't any food at the party, there is a possibility that there's no food. So to prepare for that possible situation, I'm going to eat now. Okay? Are you following me so far? The next part is in case can be a conjunction or an adverb. A conjunction or an adverb. So I have some examples here. We bought some drinks in case anyone wanted some. This is a conjunction. So we bought some drinks in the possibility, for the possibility that someone might want a drink. Okay? Here, it's an adverb. He likes to carry an extra motorcycle helmet just in case. We often use just in case. Okay, when we use, this is an adverb. So when we put in case at the end of the sentence, just in case, we're cutting out part of the sentence. He likes to carry an extra motorcycle helmet just in case someone else might want to ride. Or he likes to carry an extra helmet just in case he forgets his other one. Okay, so when it comes at the end like that, sometimes we're cutting part of the sentence. All right, so let's see. He likes to carry an extra motorcycle helmet just in case. Are you following me so far? Very good. Okay, so the next part, in case, this is very important, in case does not equal if, not the same. Okay, so let's bring an umbrella in case it rains. Let's bring an umbrella in case it rains. So when we use in case, it means we don't know if it will rain. We don't know if it will rain or if it will be sunny, but we will bring an umbrella to be careful, okay? So it could be sunny, it could be rainy, but either way, I am bringing my umbrella. The next sentence with if, let's bring an umbrella if it rains. There's a big difference here. We will wait until we know the weather to decide. Okay? So let's bring an umbrella if it rains. This means we are waiting at home and, oh, look, it's starting to rain. Okay, we are bringing our umbrella. However, if we're waiting at home and, oh, looks sunny, it looks like it's going to be sunny, it's not going to rain, then we will not bring an umbrella. So you can see the difference between these two. In this one, in case means we are preparing for the future possibility that it might rain. So even if it's not raining now, we're still bringing an umbrella. Here, we are only going to bring an umbrella if it's raining. Okay? Very good. So let's look at in case of. In case of. So here, the meaning is a little bit different than in case. This meaning is closer to if, okay? It's conditional. So in the event of a particular situation. So we use in case of plus a noun. And in case of is a preposition, okay? So if you remember, in case is a conjunction or an adverb. In case of is a preposition. So let's look at these examples. In case of an earthquake, so here we have a noun, an earthquake. In case of an earthquake, please keep away from any windows. Okay, so that means only if there is an earthquake, keep away from all of the windows. So if there's no earthquake, of course you can go near a window. But in case of an earthquake, if there is an earthquake, keep away from the windows. Okay? The next one, in case of an emergency, call this number. So that means only if there is an emergency, call this number. Okay? So it's different than in case. Okay? In case means you're going to do something or bring something, eat something in preparation for a possibility. In case of is closer in meaning to if, okay? if there is an emergency, if there is an earthquake. Okay? In case of. Very good, very good. Let's get into some questions. We have 5 questions. So, number 1. So we're going to use either in case or in case of. So we're not going to use if here. So in case or in case of. So number 1. A fire. Please use these stairs. So would you put in case of a fire, in case of a fire, or in case of fire? Oh, very good. Mashuk Ali, very good. Fatima, nice to see you in the chat. Okay, very good. Hello. Oh, very good, Brenda. Tetet Win, great job. Okay, so the answer for number 1 is in case of. In case of plus noun, a fire, please use these stairs. So it means if there is a fire, please use these stairs. Good job. Number 2, I brought some extra clothes, just something. Just in case of or just in case. This one I think is a little bit easy. Very good. Oh, excellent. Nice. Good job, Un-chan, Roshan, Miret, Brenda, Fatim. Okay. Fatima, sorry. Tetet Win. Okay, good job. I brought some extra clothes just in case. Very good. Adverb here. I brought some extra clothes just in case. So here you'll notice that we cut part of the sentence off because it's obvious, right? I brought some extra clothes just in case I need them, or just in case my clothes get dirty, just in case we stay an extra day. Okay, we cut off that part. So number 3, in case or in case of, I forget, please remind me to buy milk. Oh, Rana, thank you for your answer. Leka, Chit, very good. Okay, so the answer to number 3 is in case. I see Leka put just in case. Just in case is also fine, or we can just say in case. In case I forget, please remind me to buy milk. Very good. So this means that there might be a possibility that I forget. There is a possibility. So please remind me to buy milk. Okay? Number 4, you can dial this number, an accident. In case of. Number 4. Oh, very good, Ali. Oh, Elsa, Unchan, very good. Okay, good job, Brenda. So, number 4. In case of. Very good. You can dial this number in case of an accident. So here we have a noun, in an accident. So in case of an accident. Very good. Very good. And number 5, the last one, I'll leave this book here. You want to read it. I'll leave this book here. You want to read it. In case or in case of. Oh, very good. Brenda, Ali, Leka. Nice job. Fatima. Rana. Ali, good job. Okay. So number 5 is in case. I'll leave this book here in case you want to read it. Very good. So This means I don't know if you want to read it or not, but there is a possibility that you want to read it, I think. So I'm going to leave this book here, all right? Because there's a possibility. Okay, very good. So I think a lot of you got all of the answers correct, which is wonderful. So just to review, in case of is followed by a noun, and this means if. So in the event of a particular situation. So in case of a fire, in case of an accident, in case of an earthquake. Okay, please do something or follow this guide, read this, okay? In case is not equal to if, okay? So in case means that there is a possibility and we are preparing for that possibility, okay? In case I forget, there is a possibility I forget. In case you want to read it, in the possibility you want to read it, okay? So it's different from if, because no matter what, we are going to prepare. Okay, very good. Okay, awesome. So you guys did very, very well today. Let's see. You should take a medicine after eating spicy in case you feel nauseous. Very good. So I would correct this sentence just a little bit. So you should take medicine. So usually we don't put a in front of medicine when we're talking about like general medicine. You should take medicine after eating spicy. So spicy is an adjective, so we'll need a noun after eating spicy food in case you feel nauseous. Very good. Okay. Let's see. Please do sessions on yet and so far. Okay. So let's see. I will write that down right now so I will remember it. It's very hard for me to remember sometimes. Yet and so far. Okay, I will try to do that when I can. You should bring some cash in case the restaurant doesn't accept credit cards. Very good. Yes. Excellent. So there's a possibility that the restaurant does not accept credit cards. So we don't know if they accept them or not. So in case they don't, bring cash. Very good. Okay. You should take an umbrella in case it rains. Very good. You should upload old videos in case you can't do new sessions. Yes, that's also a good suggestion. In case of civilian war in Myanmar, we need to store medicine and food. Yes, so maybe in case of a civil war in Myanmar, we need to store medicine and food. Yes, I hope you are all safe and doing well if you are in Myanmar right now. Let's see. Go buy a case of beer. So this case is a little different than the one that we're talking about, but I like that suggestion. In that case, a case is like a big package. Okay, very good. So we are going to end the lesson here today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back again on YouTube with a brand new lesson. So please subscribe and turn on notifications for that. And if you would like, you can follow me on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Sometimes I'm on Twitter. You can follow me there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye, everyone. Thank you.